Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to add a video to Google Slides. So again, you have to go to your Google account, tap Slides, and here's an example of Google Slide. Now, there are a few ways in how to add a video to your Google Slides, but let me show you first the options above here if you wanted to add some text box or if you wanted to add some colors or change colors of your font. You just have to click this one and then click the options up here. Okay, Google Slide is very easy to use. Now to start with our tutorial, all you have to do is to go to Insert, click Video. Now we have options here on how to add. First, you just have to go to this search bar here and then search the name of the YouTube. It will appear here, and then all you have to do is to click Insert. But I think in my case, I have to do something before I can see the links of the YouTube videos here. Okay, so but you just have to type it here and then the videos will appear. You just have to tap Insert. Now, another way on how to add a video to your Google Slide is to tap this Google Drive. So make sure that the videos that you're about to add here to your Google Slide, they are all uploaded to your Google Drive. And to make sure, you just have to create a folder so that it would be easy for you to locate the file. Okay, you have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then once done, you just have to go back to your Google Slide and click this one again. Go to your folder and tap the video that you wanted to add to your Google Slide. Okay, so here's your video. You can just easily drag it anywhere to change its position. Now, if you want to edit everything here or your presentation with your video, all you have to do is to just simply tap the video, and probably on the right side, you can see here format options, and you're free to edit everything on your Google Slide presentation. Okay, so let's just say you wanted to adjust the appearance of your video. So you just have to select option here. Okay, so in order for you to adjust or edit your presentation or the video on your presentation. Also, if you want to edit more, you just have to tap and go to format options again. You can tap the slideshow to see the result of your presentation. Now, if you are not okay with the result, you can go back and try to change again the time. For example, you want to change it to appear after 50 seconds. So you can just simply enter and wait for a couple of seconds and then the video will appear. So that's it. Now, once you want to adjust more and edit more, you can just freely do it on your format options. Okay, so once you're done with this, then you can explore, go down and adjust everything here. If you want to mute the audio because you just want to watch the video, you can tap that one. For the size and rotation, you can adjust it here. Okay. Also, if you want to lock aspect ratio, you can also check this one so that it will not change, to always like that, even if you drag it anywhere here. Also for the position and the drop shadow. And that's how easy it is to add video to your Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.